welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. If you're new here, you are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And today, Merry Christmas. First off, as you can tell behind me, we have nothing festive going on here. So, cue back to a few years ago. Tree is leaning. We're gonna fix that somehow. So if you ignore the fact that it's obviously leaning, as we all, have pointed out. And so this is why I got a new tree. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I need to wrap some gifts. I have my Feeling Festive shirt on here, keeping this short and sweet. I'm gonna wrap some gifts. I'm going to decorate the tree. I don't think we have all the ornaments, so let's do getting that tree up here, okay? So we have the tree. Okay. I ended up getting a white one this time instead of a green one. Okay, so we got it up. We'll say snapping in the little legs at the bottom. A lot harder than it looks. Now the fun part starts fluffing out. Not sure where the last thing you saw was because my SD card got full. In the middle of that, tree is assembled, kind of fluffed. Not my best work, because I'd put some ornaments on it. So let's go ahead and do that now. These are $5 from Target. Having to sort my colors, I figured it would look good on a white tree. As you can tell, the tree is done. Like I said before, I'm laying on a few ornaments. Now, we need to go ahead and wrap some presents. Before that, I think I might want to bake some cookies. Look at y'all, let me not actually turn on the light for this tree. Look at it, so adorable. While we're already up here, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the pillows. Like normal, we got the pillows. Let's put them on the bed. I know this pattern obviously doesn't go with the Christmas pattern, but we're just gonna ignore that. Move along with our festive mood. We're gonna make the cookies. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Did I wrap presents last night? Nope. Now it's the next morning and we're gonna head to Target first, then I think TJ, and then maybe Ross and Marshalls. Depends on how bad the traffic is by that point. Hopefully I can find everything I need up on our list today. Find Mandy Christmas gift because I didn't get her one when I did all the shopping earlier in November. So I want to find some holiday like festive PJs. That's kind of all that's on the list. Now, are we gonna get additional things? Time will tell. How is there already a timetable here? It is 9 a.m. folks. What are y'all doing here? I'm glad that I am getting this super close part. That is something to be happy about. Okay, we're here. Now I'm going to go into TJ. I got basically everything off my list. I don't think I'm going to go to Ross or Marshalls because it's already 10. The traffic is already piping in. And then later on tonight, I know I need to wrap those gifts that I didn't do last night. So the ornaments, they came in. So I have this one for the Great Smoky Mountains from that trip a few months ago. Having a new car, and then this cutie little camera to represent all my social media stuff. And I plan to add a new one each year. Started the collection this year with these three, and then we'll just add one as we go. These are some of the gifts I'm giving my family members. Dad, Jordan. Hi guys, it is a few days later. I failed you because I said I was going to do a haul of things I purchased on Saturday, and it's now Monday and I have yet to do that haul. First thing, I got these cute socks from Target. I just love how like fuzzy and comfortable they are, especially like right now. I'm spending most days inside in the house anyway, so I got some more socks. Then I got these two different pairs of holiday PJs because like I said, that was something on my list. I like the top on this one and then I like the bottom on this one. I got this like really big claw clip. I figured it would be great like for days like today when I have my hair back. I can just throw it in a claw clip. And then now I got a few tops from TJ Maxx because why not? So first up we have this very deep green top. It's from Calvin Klein. Love this like detail. It has the buttons too. And then I have this top that I actually got from Marshall's back in August in the short sleeve version. I have this Tahari top. Now I found it in the long sleeve. And lastly, we have this like holiday red, almost like a wine red rib long sleeve top. So like again, it's just like a good, either dress it up, dress it down, staple type piece. And these are things that I purchased on Saturday. That's all that happened on Saturday that you missed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just really wanted to bring you along the whole Christmas prepping process. Once again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope you're spending the day with those that you love, and I can't wait for you to see next Sunday's video, which will be a like year in review. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.